Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. As you can see, got the neck light at the ready, so that could mean yarn. It does, it means yarn. So this is a little bit of yarn, but I do have more, that was sent to me by the company that I buy yarn art from, because I had a query with them that as a wholesaler they were charging me not very much less than they sell it for at retail, which is ridiculous, and one of them was cheaper. So I said, you know, what is the point of using you if that's the case? So they sent me these, and I chose them, but they kind of come to a bit of an arrangement with me if I want to order again, this sort of thing. So these are the Yarn Art Flowers Merino, and it doesn't do it justice, but these are gorgeous colours. Look at that. It's a real kind of dark teal, but look at the colours in there. They are just gorgeous. You know, I'm a sucker for blue in any case, so I ordered these ones. It's 25% wool, 75% acrylic. 225 grams will give you 590 meters, or 605 apostrophe 22 yards, which I don't get how they kind of do that, but you can see it there. It's weird how it looks like it says 22,000. Which obviously it's not. It would be giant, like, well, bigger than that probably. So there are a couple of these. Oh, you know what I'm gonna say, don't you? I always say yarn boobies, yarn boobies. Got beautiful scrumptious yarn boobies. Okay, so the yarn that I ordered is very similar stuff to each other, but I'm gonna end with that one because it's my favourite. So these are from Serdar, who own Hayfield and other companies, and this is Hayfield Spirit Chunky, because I did want to build up some of my chunky range. Now this one is pretty. Look at that. I like this. Let me just see what. Now I'm sure these have got names. In fact, I know they have on the yarn packs, but it doesn't tell you the name on the band, which is weird. 416 they call this, which is a shame because it does have a name. It will have both when I upload it to my shop, which is Hobby Rocks. They'll all be uploaded. It's www.hobbyrocks.co.uk, and I ship worldwide. So that being said, that's this one, and it's chunky. A lot of people are now making winter stuff for Christmas, so I've got some chunky yarns in at the ready. Another chunky is another Hayfield Spirit chunky, but look at that. This one I know is called Zest, but obviously it doesn't say it on the yarn band. Shade 400, but look at all those colours. Isn't that just beautiful? That's lovely, and I do have quite a lot of it as well. So if you wanted to make a nice big project, that's other than just scarves and hats, you could. So that's the second one. Is there another chunky? Yep, this one is Hayfield Spirit Chunky too, and although that looks quite light, it's got all kind of beautiful colours in it, and I don't remember the name of this one, unfortunately, but on here just 407. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. I love these colours. Just gorgeous. And that one's a chunky as well. And so is this. Now this is another chunky, and I love these colours so much. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's kind of like a... I'm going to have to drop the bag. It's kind of like a darker rainbow. I'll put that one there as well. Look, aren't they just beautiful? So I'll refresh your memory to what we've got. This one's 405. And did I say yeah already? I might have done. I'm not sure. 155 meters, 169 yards. I don't think I told you this. 80% acrylic, 20% wool. But I have to say, it's hard to read because it's black on a darkish green background. It doesn't look dark when you hold it up to the camera because the light shines on it, but it is. Now, all of those that I've showed you have got the same dimensions, just different colour numbers. But this one, oh, it's so autumn, isn't it? All those kind of beautiful autumn colours. Just gorgeous. I really love that. So then, the one thing I really did want was Hayfield Spirit in a DK. And I have to say, although these say that they are 20% wool, you wouldn't know it. You wouldn't know there's any wool in there. It doesn't feel scratchy in any way whatsoever. It just feels really soft. So the first one that I got was Zest. And so that I have in a DK as well. So this one again is shade 400. And in a DK you get 345 meters or 377 yards. So it's 80% acrylic and 20% wool. And that's Zest. Again, I've got a fair bit of Zest. It's beautiful. I love that one so much. Now brings me to my favourite one. I absolutely love this yarn. I cannot tell you how much I love this yarn. And recently I made a blanket with it, which was a baby blanket. So that shows you how soft it is, that you can use this for a baby. And I will put a link at the end to that blanket. Looks hard, but it isn't. And I made that recently. So, oh, I just love this one so much. It's called Sundown. I remember the name because I love it. And the shade is 408. So again, that's 345 meters, 377 yards. And 80% acrylic, 20% wool, but squishy. Yes, it's beautiful. It's gorgeous colour. I absolutely love these two. Wow. Yeah, so I don't have a lot of this yet, but as soon as I placed my order, it came back in stock. So I've ordered some more and it should arrive very, very soon. But wowza, look at that. It is just gorgeous. So don't forget, if you want to have a look at my website, it's www.hobbyrocks.co.uk. And over on the Hobby Rocks channel, I'm having my very first ever Hobby Rocks giveaway. So you can go on my site and you can choose from a few bits and pieces. So at the end of this video, I will put a link to that. So if you haven't already entered, you need to go over to the Hobby Rocks channel, and I'll put the link when all the videos come in. You can go over there, and don't forget you have to subscribe over there. So that is the other bit of news that you might not be aware of. But oh look, my yarn boobies, isn't it just beautiful? But I mean, the thing that surprised me was how much I really like these sort of colours. Because I'm usually more, you know, the pastels and the vibrant colours. But these are kind of vibrant in a darker way. I mean, they really bring out each other, don't they? The colours in these. This one's gorgeous. And not to forget this one as well. And it's also, the Zest is in chunky as well. But I really love this one as well. I can't choose really. I love them all. And I haven't decided on whether I'm going to upload this to my website or if I'm going to keep it and make something. I probably will upload it because, as you all know, I've got rather a lot of yarn. Anyway, it's precious. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. And don't forget, head over to Hobby Rocks, the channel. Forgot my own name. Hobby Rocks channel. Subscribe and enter that giveaway because it's a good one. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.